welcome to my channel. My name is Taryn, aka Glamazon with 3 Z's, and today I'm coming to you with a unboxing or unbagging. First I'll start with where I got these items from. So I forgot what I was looking for. I got on AliExpress, right? And I forgot what I was looking for. Girl, I done went down the rabbit hole, found a whole bunch of other stuff. Ooh, suggested things you might like, all this other stuff, all this other stuff, all this other stuff, and I ended up with a few more items than I should have. So it finally came, and honestly it took like, I ordered it, I want to say I ordered it at the end of August, and the estimated time was like around Halloween. It was like October 28th to the 31st. But I actually just got it 3 days ago, which was September 23rd, 24th, around that time frame. But anyway, I wanted to wait to show it with you guys, so let's get into it. And it's a little bit of everything. Like, I think I got some clothing pieces. I think I got clothing. I don't forget what I got. And I think, oh yeah, a majority of it is jewelry too. So I'm excited for that. All right, I had to push y'all back a little bit further. We about to get into it. And what's crazy is, I don't know if you guys have ordered from AliExpress before, but I've ordered a whole bunch of different stuff from different suppliers. Each send you an email. So I have like a whole bunch of emails just in a row on tracking, on this and that. Even when you click on the tracking, you think it's for one item, but it's really for another item. It's really confusing how it works, and I apologize. And I've done this before. I apologize if you hear any car sounds. This room is right next to the street, so really apologize. Okay, this looks like clothing. This is clothing too. So I think there's one other package in here, and I honestly think this is all the jewelry. It's just like wrapped up all in one. Oh, there's other stuff in here too. Jewelry. Let's start with this one, because I don't even know. I love this. This is like, I completely forgot what I got. Oh, y'all, I know y'all been seeing, I wonder, well, I don't know, but I'm sure some of you guys have been seeing, you're a fashion girly, I'm sure some of you guys have been seeing like this furry, it's a furry fluffy, what else is it? Yeah, she got purple scissors too. So I don't know if y'all been seeing, but there's this fluffy heart-shaped purse that I've been seeing on AliExpress, and I don't know the prices off the top of my head, so I'll make sure to put them up here and link them down at the end of the video. But anyway, I've been seeing these all over Instagram, all over social media. It's like a furry heart-shaped purse, and they had them in different colors. Y'all, I did not know what color I wanted. They had them in red, green, pink, yellow, but I was like, let me just go safe and go with black. Like, I really was not sure what color I wanted. Anyway, plus I also wanted to see the quality too. This is cute. Okay, but how you open it? Oh, this is a button. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know there's not much room in here to put anything. It's really just a statement piece. Like, you could probably fit 2 lip glosses in here and maybe your keys. No, I'm playing, but y'all, this is uber small. This is super duper small. I wish y'all can see in here. It's like really small. Like, this is the lining. Like, this is it. But other than that, it's super cute. It looks super big, but yeah, not too much though. Yeah, you can't be really going any place. Like, don't expect to carry a book in here. But this is cute. I like this. So I think I might get another color. That's really what I was gonna start with. I was like, let me get the black one first, and then maybe I'll get another color later. Yeah. Perfect for fall. Because this is some type of clothing. I don't even remember. Oh, okay. This is a 2-piece. And y'all already know with AliExpress, Alibaba, all that stuff, it's a hit or miss. This, from what I'm looking at, I don't know. So it's a two-piece. It's a top and a short set. So it's like a vacation set, sort of. So, you know what? Actually, this isn't cute. This actually does look like the picture. And I'm pretty sure y'all probably have seen it on social media. But yeah, that's cute, right? A little crop top, button up, and then it has the shorts. Cute. How it's gonna fit, I don't know that part yet. So I gotta try it on. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the two-piece. It's not bad, right? Like, it's cute. It's cute. I don't think I got pink underwear on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, it doesn't look bad. Let me try the other one on. This isn't bad. But it's cute. It actually does look like the picture, the colors and everything. Is this another two-piece? I don't know, y'all, but it's crochet too. Yeah, so that one was crochet. And this one's, okay, I got two two-piece crochet sets. This one looks like the photo too. So it's this looked like my daddy's golf shirt or something, but in crochet form. And in the short. So like I said, I don't have to try these on. I didn't even think about the see-through thing. I didn't even think about that. Okay, because you can see through the holes. But anyway, I don't know. This is this one. It looked really weird. It looked really weird all the way buttoned up. So I just did this. But I mean, this one's cute. Or whatever. I think I like the other one better too. But this one's cool. I can also button it up too and do like some crop top thing too. Yeah, nice little vacation fits. So yeah, it originally was for jewelry, which is why I have like 6-7 bags right here. And then I started looking at other stuff. Okay, yeah, so I got some jewelry and I think I got some bangles. Oh yeah, these are the bangles. Okay, I don't know, for some reason I also think these are bigger, but okay. So, okay, this is, I guess these is cute. They're super cloudy, but I don't know. But anyway, these are two bangles I got. Clear bangles here, and y'all don't mind my nails, or my thumbs at least. Now let's see if they even fit. Oh, I don't know about this. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, no we don't. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, I feel no constriction. Okay, so this is how it looks. They're cute. It's simple. Cute little bangles. Yeah, it doesn't feel constricting at all, so that's good. Okay, it was just putting them on for a second there. So yeah, they're cute. I just thought they would be bigger, but you don't know. Asian sizes are a lot smaller. But still, jeez. I don't know. Yeah, these don't have any give. But they're cute. Oh, these are the skull earrings. I know y'all seen these. I've seen these on a lot of different websites. I've seen them like on dollskill.com. These are how they look. These are the skull head earrings. Oh my gosh, I wanted these. I've been wanting these for a while, and I saw them on a picture on Pinterest. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, there we go, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so I've seen these on Pinterest. I've also seen them on that site, Dolls Kill, you know, where they have like a lot of rocker, you know, alternative, punk, but trendy stuff. And I've been wanting these just in time for October. So I think this back screws off. Oh yeah, I'm slow. I'm serious screwing it off. All I do is pull it off. These are cute. Let me see. Y'all see that? Are they cute? These are cute. Yeah. There's that. This one's super. Oh, this is, maybe this is a necklace. Did I get a necklace? I don't remember. Ooh, these are my rings, y'all. Okay. know about y'all, but I don't know if you're able to find rings that easily fit your finger. But I don't know. I feel like I'm always in between sizes, like with like my body, like body, with my body sizes, with clothing, with my shoe sizes, with, and now with my ring sizes. Like I'm always like a half or something, or just like, I don't know. This one's really pretty. The green color really attracted me to it. Let me see if it fits. And then if I do find rings that fit, they always fit my ring finger. And I'm just like, I'm still over here trying to get chose, okay? Or no, actually, I'm still out here doing the choosing. So I don't want, but this don't really look like this ain't a wedding ring though. Like, you know, I don't know. But yeah, a lot of rings only fit my ring finger. All the other ones either are they too big or they're too small. They always fit my ring finger perfectly. And then I got this one. This one probably looks more like a wedding ring. But I don't know, is this one adjustable? Oh yeah, this one's adjustable. Okay, this is perfect. So I could put this on my middle finger like a, so I can put this on my middle finger. Oh, this is a chunky necklace. And of course, this is obviously it's fake. This shit light as fuck. But it looks super cute in the photo. I couldn't resist. I just didn't figure out how to put it on. Like a, yeah, it's like a belt. So you would probably just put it on just like a belt. But yeah, it looks like a belt, like a belt you would put around your waist. Okay. The girl in the photo. I'm not really sure if it looks like the girl. Like the girl had it in the photo. But I'll check it out later. But yeah, y'all get the gist. And oh, these are like some drip earrings. Yeah, they give the illusion of like liquid dripping. So I was like, oh, these are cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, I'll show a photo too. Oh yeah, these are cute. Okay, I like these. Yeah. These are cute. I like these. So I got my since I got my second ear piercing last year, I was like, I've been like trying to find different earrings and stuff. Although I haven't, I don't know, although I have been just keeping this set up here on the top. But I think I want to experiment a little more. Alright, y'all, we got one more bag. And it's looking pretty flat. Y'all see this? It's looking a little flat. So I think it's a necklace. Oh no, these are more earrings. Okay, yeah, so these are little, what is it? I don't know, like, I don't know. I'm not a metric system, but like 2mm, I don't know, little earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with AliExpress, and I'll be sure to add the links to the description box down below if you're interested in buying them or interested in looking at them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Glamazon with 3 Z's, and I will see you next time. Bye.